Hi guys, charity shop, gold or garbage. A little bit desperate today. 50p. That's all I've spent on a Rubik's cube. I doubt whether it's an original, it's odd colours. Bought it in Deborah for people whose skin doesn't work. That's a charity shop in Nailsea. So I spent a whole 50p. I don't remember how to do these. It's an awfully long time since I've had a go. Certainly not going to be able to do it in front of the screen. Should have taken the label off, shouldn't I? It's going to get in the way. It's a little bit stiff. That's the basic cross, isn't it? Oh, I've got those two colours okay. That one needs to get round to there. No, I'm not going to try and do it in front of you. I will go and have a look online to remind myself what we need to do. And I'll do a little bit where I'll just show it finished. Done.